Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use if directive as well as the for each directive in PHP Laravel. So yeah, let's get started. So firstly I have just created a simple Laravel application and here you can see it is running. Now I don't really like this index page which is there. So for that what you can do is you can just go to resources, go to views, and here you can go to welcome.blade.php. You can change the head and body to whatever you feel like. So I will just change this to h1 welcome. Okay, so something like this, and now if I refresh, here you can see I'm able to see welcome. Now I need to create I need to use those directives, right? So just for simplicity sake I will create separate files. If you want you can do those inside this welcome.blade.php as well, but I don't want to confuse you guys too much. So what I'll do is I'll just inside your views we will create one more route basically. So here I can just create one folder called Pokemon. Okay, you can name it whatever you feel like, and here I will create one file called index.blade.php. Then here again you can write your HTML5 syntax whatever you feel like. Okay, then we need to tell our routes, like whenever I go to this our port 8000 port /Pokemon, it should display our page. So here currently you can see that I'm not able to see my particular Pokemon page. So for that you have to go to routes web.php and you just have to add this particular route. So here for me it is whenever I go to /Pokemon, it should render what page it should render. So it should render Pokemon, and inside Pokemon we have this index page, right? So dot index. And now if I just refresh, hopefully this should work. So yeah, it is working. I have not given anything over here, so if you want you can just give an h1 tag Pokemon. If I refresh, here you can see I'm able to see Pokemon. Coming back to the directives, how to use it. So first I'll show you the for each directive. So for that what we can do, suppose I'm sending some kind of a data to this particular page. So suppose I'm sending a greeting, okay, of hello Pokemon. Now depending on this I want to render different views inside our HTML. So basically what we can do is we can just add an if tag @if, okay, and here we can just do $greeting, and here we can just do == hello Pokemon. You can directly close this if you just want to check an only if clause, but typically you also add an else clause as well. So here I can just say good day. So thanks to AI for filling it out. But if you see, our greeting text is actually hello Pokemon. So in our case this else clause will get implemented, and here you can just add normal HTML tag or whatever logic you feel like. This @if, @else, and @endif are directives in PHP Laravel. So if I now refresh my page, here you can see I'm able to see good day because it went to the else clause. Now suppose I will just copy this particular part, hello Pokemon exclamation, and paste it inside this particular thing. Now it should display hi there. So I'll just refresh this. Here you can see, I'm not sure if it is visible to you because sometimes, yeah, hopefully this is now visible. So it is saying hi there. Okay, all right, so this is the if directive. Now I will just remove this. Don't comment this out. I will comment this out and I'll show you. Some of you might be wondering, okay, let's just comment this out. It will throw an error. I wish it hadn't. Now it won't throw an error. So here I will just remove this as well. Okay, now I will add an array of Pokemons. So something like this, yeah, something like this looks good to me. Name array of array, sorry, name type moves. Okay, then I can again add a comma, sorry, not here, just a second. So this is one element, okay, this is second element. Now AI is suggesting me the Pokemon, so thank you for that. Okay, so these three Pokemons are fine. So first one is Pikachu, which has name, type and moves. Second one is Charizard, name, type and moves. And third one is Squirtle, name, types and move. Now I want to send this particular arrays of Pokemon, so I can just do something like this. So here again, thank you AI. So I will just add an S over here, Pokemons. Okay, S over here and S over here as well. Okay, next, to access it, I can let me just check if it is throwing an error. Here you can see it is throwing an error. Even though I have commented this code out, I don't know why it is still throwing an error. Is this a Laravel bug or is this a PHP bug? I don't know. That's why I told you to completely remove this. So I'll just completely remove this. If you have a solution for this, do let me know in the comments. But now if I refresh here, you can see we are getting our Pokemon. Now we just have to use a for each loop. So we can just do for each. Okay, and here you can see it has again given me all the IntelliSense for this, and I can just end our for each as well, end for each. Sorry. So here you can see we are starting our for each. What was the name? Sorry, the indentation is not coming properly. So here you can see it was Pokemons as Pokemon. So we are looping over it, and what all things were present: name, type and moves. We don't have level. I'll just remove this. So name and type I'm displaying. Let's see if this works or not. Okay, it is throwing me an error. Attempt to read property name on an array. Okay, so I think we are reading it wrong. It should be something like this, I guess. Think so. We do have name and type, right? Name and type. Yeah, let's see if this works. Yeah, this works. So hopefully you got the point on how to use directives of if and for each in PHP Laravel. Thank you for watching. Bye.